Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Melanade Beauty. As you can see here, I already have some gifts in these gift boxes that I'm going to be wrapping, and of course we're going to be using some craft paper, which gives that natural look, as well as some regular wrapping paper for a different look, and even some wallpaper that is a hack. So if you have some extra wallpaper hanging around, don't be afraid to use it as gift wrapping paper. It actually holds up very well. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be skipping the actual gift wrapping stage. If you would like to learn how to gift wrap, please watch a different video and then come back to this one. This one, we are going to be styling the gifts with bows and ribbons. And so for starters, I'm going to be creating some custom tags for my gifts using these chalkboard tags from the Dollar Tree and my Cricut machine. But first I'm going to just start out by, creating some little shapes, because these were kind of a large size for the gifts that I wrapped. So I'm cutting out some trees and just different shapes with some scissors before I start. Please do not make fun of my trees. But yes, so once these are done, I'm going to go into my Cricut and design space. So I'm going to be typing all of the names that I have gifts for, and I'm going to connect them and weld them so they cut as one piece. And I'm just going to make sure they're sized correctly to each individual name tag that I have pre-cut. And once they are complete, I'm going to make it, and my machine is going to cut these all out for me. These gifts are actually for the previous video that I have on my channel where I DIY some gifts using my Cricut and Dollar Tree, so go check that out if you haven't already. It will be linked below. And here I am creating these name tag labels. They turned out so cute. I just weed each design and transfer them using some transfer tape right onto the name tag. Of course, you can add whatever designs you'd like to your name tags using the Cricut machine, but I just kept it nice and simple for my gifts. And here we are starting off with a wallpaper wrapped gift, and I'm going to be using some pre-dried orange slices that I dehydrated in my oven, and some sprigs that I found on a tree from outside. So I just love this simple, simplistic look on these gifts. So for this gift, I want to keep all elements natural, so I'm going to be using this jute twine to wrap my gift with, and I'm just going to do a crisscross effect from the back and then twist it around like so, and do it to the front as well. And once it's been crisscrossed like so, I'm going to tie a knot to secure it. Now I'm going to use the extended pieces of twine and just attach my sprig in orange peel. Now before I tie this off, I'm going to add my name tag and loop it around the orange peel like so. Then I'm going to give this a double knot tie and just twist this name tag around the orange peel, pull it nice and taut, and there you have a beautifully wrapped gift that was very easy to make. For this next gift, somehow I lost footage of the process of tying this ribbon, but here are the results, and I'm going to show you how I created this look with my third gift. And this time I'm going to be using some thick red velvet ribbon that I purchased from Michael's, and here I am just looping it around the entire gift like so. And then once it's centered in the middle, I'm going to do this crisscross and then loop it around from the back, making sure my ribbon is laying flat and showing the pretty side. And now I'm going to tie a nice taut knot right in the middle. And now that our knot is tied, we're going to go ahead and add our orange peel, sprig, and name tag. This time I'm pulling the twine of the name tag right through the center of the orange peel, then I'm wrapping it around the sprig, and then I'm going to loop the long ribbon tail right through that. And once it's been centered the right way we want it, now we're going to tie some big bows using a simple tie, just like you're tying your shoe. It's nothing fancy. You're just gonna take two ends and do a knot like so. And once that's been complete, just gonna fix it up and twist it around and adjust it the right way. So now you have a perfect wrapped gift with this beautiful red ribbon bow. And to finish it off, I'm going to cut these little slits on the ends of the tails to make it a little bit more fancy. And there you have it. Okay, so for our next gift, I'm going to speed up the process a bit, and as you see, I'm using the twine and the ribbon at the same time to give it, a different look. And I'm going to tie that knot in the center, and once it's been tied, I'm going to add my sprig and my orange peel and my name tag, and I'm just going to tie that all in one knot together and secure it with a nice pretty tied bow. A simple bow like you're tying your shoe, and then we're going to trim it up and cut the ends and the tails, and here is our finished results for this gift. I like to do different combinations with my ribbon and wrapping paper, so I have a large variety of gifts for Christmas, and so I'm using this green satin ribbon to go along with this berry wrapping paper, and I'm still going to add an orange and sprig to each gift. I really recommend it. It just adds the perfect touch. And once I have this all tied together, I'm going to do a simple knot and create a simple bow like so. And really, these gifts are just so easy to create. I really love how this one turned out. Now for this gift, I am going to be using that same wrapping paper, but with the thick velvet red ribbon, which I am so in love with. This was $6 at Michael's, and I just had to get it because it just screams very, Christmassy. So I'm tying a huge bow on top using this ribbon. And this time I'm not going to add any orange peel or anything because the ribbon just does itself justice. Now for our last and final gift, I'm going to go back and keep it nice and simple but simplistically elegant, if that makes any sense. And I'm going to use this twine, and I'm just going to tape it to the back of my package, and now I'm going to wrap it several times around horizontally. You could do it horizontally or vertically if you wish, and then I'm going to snip, and then I'm going to loop it through here first, and then feed in my orange peel and my sprig and my name tag. And once this has been all intertwined together, get it? Twined? And now I'm going to complete it and tape the end piece to the back. And this completes our gift wrapping for the season. It's very affordable, very easy to create, and it just looks so simple, elegant, and just classy. I love these type of gifts, and if you do too, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much. Bye!